Hey man, what's good, y'all? Your boy Jayyinthecutt here, and today in this video we got a little something like for y'all. You feel me? Hey, I got this monkey app. I got this idea that I'm gonna go on Monkeys. You know, this app called Monkeys. You could go on there and FaceTime people and just ask them to rate you and stuff like that. So that's what I'll be doing. 20%. Hey, alright, we're about to start. So with my hair look crazy. And she 14, she too young. She 6, she cute though. It was good. Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me real quick?
A 10.
What?
A 10.
10? Oh, word? Thank you.
Yeah.
You feel me? You feel me? Stop it. Oh, she skipped me. Where the fuck was that? You already started off with the 10, baby. Come on, stop playing with me. My hair look crazy. Yo, rate my hair, y'all. Dead ass. My shit crazy. Had my sister twist my hair the other day. She 13. What is you doing on this app, baby? 13. Why am I getting niggas already? What the fuck? Another nigga. Hey, she from the Bronx. And she cute. Fuck? Jasmine. Is you gonna answer, my guy? I'm getting so much niggas. What the fuck? Ain't there like a setting where you could change? But you see that they don't. It was good.
You like Caillou?
What?
You like Caillou?
If I like, what type of question is that? You sure? Yeah, that's on. Well, why'd you ask me that?
I don't know, my friend wanted to know.
The fuck? Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me real quick?
What?
You trying to rate me real quick?
No.
You said no? Why not?
Because I'm freaking, I don't know.
The fuck?
Because I don't have to.
Alright, you're right. Alright. The fuck? The fuck? It was good. What? What? Nigga, speak up. I can't hear you, my guy. Niggas, what? Fuck. And nigga talking about some ass on. It was good.
Hey, you are good. How you doing?
Thank you. I'm good. It was good, y'all. Yo, ads on. Ads on. I said ads on. Yo, y'all trying to. I'm 18. How old are you? I'm 18. How old are you? I'm 18, girl.
You what?
18.
Bruh.
Oh, you 18? Oh, okay. We share on Snapchat.
As you said, as you on Snapchat?
Yeah, I'm on Snapchat.
Alright, I got you. But yo, real quick, y'all trying to rate me? What is she doing, yo?
Huh?
Y'all trying to rate me real quick?
Trying to what?
Rate me.
Right you?
Yeah.
You like a 10 20 boy.
What about that ass girl?
You off the chart.
I'm off the show. Wow, really? Thank you. Yeah. What is? Alright, yeah, I'm gonna add you on Snapchat.
Alright, man.
I got you.
Alright.
Yo, them pics, man, they funny. Jennifer, she's 14. She Max. Love me, my play cousins. Ash, no, that's Sydney. Retarded. The fuck did I get Ashley from? She white. Yo, what's good? Hello?
Help.
What?
Help.
Wait.
Somebody kidnapped me.
Damn, that's tough. That's on. I'm trying. What? What the fuck was? What? I'm smart. I'm not. Let me see this shit record. Hey. It was good. What? What am I?
No.
Yo, add time.
No.
Going on. The fuck? Where's my computer off? He from the Bronx. Next. Lexi. Yo, what's good? Oh. Love my dark skins in a uniform. Okay, he cute. Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me? You trying to rate me? Add on. You trying to rate me?
What?
Rate me.
Rate?
Yeah, rate.
I guess. On a scale from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 1 to 10.
A 9.
A 9? Really? Thank you. You are 10 yourself. You are 10 yourself. I got you. She not no 10. She not no 10. She not 10. Yo, what's good? What's up? What you smiling for? What you smiling for? What?
Any bag.
Got you. Yo, smiling over here. Your quick question. What the fuck? Thought we got something going. She smiling and shit. She demi. Bro, y'all niggas, y'all gonna have to stop skipping me. That shit pissing me off. Oh. Alicia, okay. It was good.
Hey, how you doing? Nothing much. What about you?
I'm chilling. Y'all.
Okay.
How old are y'all?
I'm 19.
You 15? Wait, so that shit said. The fuck? That shit said 18. Oh shit. There's a 76% chance you'll end up on YouTube. It was good.
Hey,
Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me real quick?
you said rate you?
Yeah, rate me.
You like a 8?
I'm like an 8. Thank you. Bro, I gotta, what is, I got butching? What the fuck? Since when? Fuck. Walk it? Like, suck it, walk it? Hey. It was good. It was good. Hello? Hello? What? My way. Yo, what's good? Hello?
Guess which song this is?
Hello?
Guess which song this is?
As on. I don't know. What song is it? The f- you know, got me fucking copyrighted and shit. Yo, what's good? It was good.
What's good? Airtime.
Ass on, I got you. Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me real quick?
Huh?
I said you trying to rate me real quick? What you eating? That shit look good. What you eating? What? Word? That's what's up. Yeah, but can you rate me real quick?
Show your whole face. Alright.
Show my whole face? Are you not seeing my whole face? Is this not good enough for you?
Sit the camera up. Like, sit the camera up.
What you mean?
Like this.
Like this?
Yeah, you like a 7 or
I'm like
6.5.
a 6.5?
Yeah, or a 7.
Why I gotta do all this for you? Like, why I gotta do all that? You can, like, I'm good right here. You gave me a 6.5? Damn.
Yeah, a 7.
Girl, you said 6.5 at first. Why 7? Why 7?
A 7 good.
I said why though?
Cause you told me to rate you and I rated you.
Yo, I don't need all that attitude, alright? I was just asking why you rated me a 7. It was a simple question, you feel me?
Yeah.
This one like black girls, bro. You don't really wanna clap. What are you clapping for? I feel some type of way though. Why she gotta rate me a 7? A 7, my nigga? She said a 6.5. Bitch said a 6.5 at first. Fuck. Is this shit recording? You got me fucked up. Talking about someone 6.5. She coming on live eating and shit. Your fat ass. That shit hurt. What's it good?
Hey, yo.
What's it good? Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me real quick?
I can't hear you. What you said?
I said you trying to rate me real quick?
Rape you?
Rate.
You're like a 9.
I'm like a 9. Word?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you. Some of these, y'all know how to talk? Yo, what's good? Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me real quick? You trying to rate me real quick? Ass on?
You said what?
I said you trying to rate me real quick.
Oh, 1 to 10?
Yeah, 1 to 10.
I'll give you a 10. You fast.
You give me a 10?
Yeah.
Or that's what's up. Who's your friend over there?
Our friend?
Yeah. Hey, what's up? She trying to rate me too? She hiding and shit.
Rate 1 to 10.
She give me an 8? Why? Why she give me an 8? Actually, I got you, bro. Why she give me an 8?
Why you give me an 8?
I want.
Because cute is not that.
I'm cute, but I'm not that cute. I got you. I got you. Alright, I'm gonna add you as a friend, right? I got you.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. I got you. Yo, quick question. You trying to rate me real quick?
Huh?
I said you trying to rate me real quick?
Yeah, every time.
Ads on, I got you.
I read you I read you. Say cheese, I'm still tea.
Let me see. What you?
Where's the tea?
I don't. Why you gotta see my? What does it matter if you?
Just like your teeth ain't fucked up.
It's not. Trust me.
Alright, I read you an 8.
Rate me an 8. Why? Wait, hold on. What about your friend?
Huh?
I said, what about your friend?
I read you a 7.
Rate me a 7. Why?
You cute, but I know. You cute.
What you say? What you do? I'll be with you. It was good.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, you sound happy. You sound happy. Whatever.
I'm always happy.
Always. I like that. Yo, real quick. You trying to rate me real quick?
Yeah, I got what? Turn. What you said?
I said you trying to rate me real quick?
Rate. Oh.
Yeah, rate. Well, what you thought I said? What you think? What you thinking? But yeah, you trying to rate
A
me?
10.
A 10?
Yeah.
You got friends in the background or something?
Yeah.
They trying to rate me?
Nope, I'm 11.
11. Ooh, I like that. I like you, matter of fact. You gave me 11. I like you. Is that it for like who else is in the background?
10.
Who gave me someone else give you a 10?
Yes.
Oh, that's what's up.
Oh, she said 20.
A 20?
No.
Whoever said 20, yo, add me on Instagram. I like you. Add me on Instagram. Hey man, what's good, y'all? Your boy Jayyinthecutt here. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this little video that I put together while recording. I did not realize that my camera had died, so I just stopped recording halfway. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you smash the like button, comment down below, share this with your friends and whatnot. I'll probably do some more like smash or bash, you feel me? But yeah, your boy Jayyinthecutt, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Let you get a taste. Do you love the taste? Yeah, that's cool.